Hello everyone and welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's warm up your hands and fingers so they're ready for writing. All you need is 2 pencils, and when we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Hold the pencil towards the end using your right hand. Reach with your thumb to its tip. Press down so it slides through your fingers. Run your fingers back and do it again. 10 seconds. Switch to your left hand. Do both hands now. 10 seconds. You can do it. Let's pretend your finger is seesaw. Balance your pencil on your index finger of your right hand and try to wiggle it side to side without making it fall. 10 seconds. You can do it. Balance the pencil on your left hand. 10 seconds. Let's use both hands now. Place your pencil on the back of your right hand. Tilt your hand up and down to make the pencil roll. Be careful, don't make it fall. 10 seconds. Switch to your left hand. Try your both hands now. 10 seconds. You can do it. Use your right hand and do little bunny hops over your thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky. Now hop back. 10 seconds. Go. Let's do some big bunny hops. Each time you hop over your finger, go back to your starting point and hop again. Use your left hand and do little hops. 10 seconds. Keep using your left hand and let's do big hops now. Use your thumb and index finger of your right hand and wiggle your pencil for 10 seconds. Wiggle your pencil between your thumb and middle finger. Switch to your thumb and ring finger. Do your thumb and pinky. Switch to your left hand and use your thumb and index finger. thumb and middle, thumb and ring finger. You're almost there, thumb and pinky. Let's add some challenge and do it with both hands, thumb and index. Thumb and middle finger. Thumb and ring finger. Thumb and pinky. You made it! Amazing work, guys! Let's open our Kinder Egg. It's a bird! Thanks for warming up your hands with me. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!